Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, please keep on watching, like, subscribe, and comment down below. For the brows, I'll be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade dark brown, and the brush I'm using is from Anastasia and it's the number 12. So this is the first time trying out the Anastasia brow product and also the brush. And let me say, the brow product, I really like the way it feels when I apply it on my eyebrows. And I really love the brush because it's thin and easy to use. And it's very precise. For concealer, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. The brush I am using is from Alamat Cosmetics. To set the brows, I'll be using an e.l.f. Cosmetics Clear Brow Gel. To set the concealer, I'll be using the Airspun in the shade Translucent. To contour, I'll be using the Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. Bronzer, I'll be using the Precision Formula Bronzer Booster. Blush, I'll be using the Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn palette, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades. For the eyes, I'll be using the Morphe Jaclyn Armed and Gorgeous palette. For transition, I'll be using the shade Secure. So far, I'm really enjoying this palette, and I'm happy that I bought it. The next shade I'll be applying is called Axis. Going back with the shade Secure, I'll be applying the shade Smooth Criminal on the outer corners. The lower lash line, I'll be applying Secure. As well, I will be applying Axis and Smooth Criminal. To cut my crease, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. The next shade I'll be applying is called Coin. Going back with the shade Smooth Criminal. For glitter, I'll be using the J-Cat in the shade Gold Road. The liquid liner, I'll be using the Wet n Wild H2O. The corner highlight and the eyebrow highlight, I'll be using the shade VIP. Lashes, I'll be using the Ardell Metal Volume 252. For highlight, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. Seeing the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. The setting spray I'll be using is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. For lips, I'll be using the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. For mascara, I'll be using the It Cosmetics Superhero. For liner, I'll be using the yellow NYX Liquid Liner Bright. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed. If you like this look, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what your thoughts were about this tutorial. And thanks for watching.